client is Vicente Vasquez. Mr.
Clerk,
Vasquez, can you hear me?
now live on YouTube, by the way. Mr. Vasquez is the guy in the annex.
Yes. Mr. Vasquez, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I'm going to put you in breakout room 5 with your attorney.
On the papers, there's
Okay.
216 and 215.
Okay, tell him this one that he's looking at right now is 2 and 5 on the.
Okay, so then, Sharon, are you ready on your?
I am ready,
page?
Your Honor. The paperwork should be ready. I didn't get discovery thing from the state, but I can sign that later. I have
Okay.
an offer. I just didn't know they're just
Okay, let me pull up his paperwork on my screen.
Judge.
Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, Mr. Clough, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Judge.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, Judge.
Is your name Aaron Bazan Clough?
Yes, sir.
Be the same Aaron Clough who in this cause number 2026 CC 000486, who is charged with the offense of criminal trespass. Is that you?
Yes, sir.
This case is a Class B misdemeanor. It's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, Judge.
Looking now at a document on my screen entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, Judge.
I'm now looking at a document on my screen entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it. Your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, Judge.
Did your attorney explain it to you?
Yes, Judge.
And do you understand it?
Yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
Okay, hold on. Let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Judge.
Now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You signed it and your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, Judge.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Okay, 1 minute. You understand that on a plea of no contest that the court can still find you guilty anyway. You understand that?
Yes, Judge.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, Judge.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, is there a plea bargain? And I ask the state to please decide if there is.
Yes, Your Honor, it is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 40 days Bexar County Jail with credit for time served and time and money running concurrently. The defendant does have at least 40 days.
Is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Ms. Thorne?
Yes, Your Honor, we're asking for a judgment satisfied.
Okay. Do you agree to this, Mr. Clough?
Yes, Judge.
Well, Mr. Clough, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. Sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, sentence you to 40 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if this is the only case holding your client, Ms. Thorne?
No, he has an MTR of the 186, Your Honor. We're going to take care of that later.
Okay. So as far as this case is concerned, this case no longer holds you, but that MTR still does. All right? You
Yes,
understand
Judge.
that? Good luck to you.
Okay.
You can tell the deputies that we're finishing the case, and Sharon, you can be excused. Good to see you.
Thank you, Judge.
I'll see you
Bye-bye.
next week, Mr. Clark.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Judge, Attorney Vidal would like to speak to the ADA.
Okay. Can we put them in a breakout room?
Yes, I'll put her in breakout room 6. Did Attorney Vidal log off?
I
Ms.
don't know
Trish?
if she did or she didn't, but we did speak, and I'm not able to make her an offer on her case. We have not contacted the complainant.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yes,
Case
ma'am.
is that on, please. I'm sorry.
Armando Ramirez.
She's here. She is. She logged back on, Judge.
Unless she wants to speak. to
Attorney
Mr.
Vidal.
Ms. Ms. Vidal,
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm being told that the DA cannot make you an offer. They have not contacted the complainant, so this case is going to have to get reset.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Debbie, can you give her a date?
Yes. Let's see, what's today? Monday, Thursday or Friday? Which day will work for you?
Let me look here.
Oh, one of them's on the board.
How about, Friday morning,
Friday morning. Okay, I'll reset it for that date. Thank you.
8:30, 8:30, right?
Correct.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Debbie, who's next on the hit parade here?
I'm sorry, Judge. Adrian Hernandez. I was muted.
Okay, Adrian Hernandez. Let me find this on my paper docket. Marking out the page on page 4 of my docket. Gee, I got them on my screen. Yes, I do. Okay, Mr. Hernandez.
Yes, sir.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is your name Adrian Hernandez?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Adrian Hernandez when this cause number 2025 CC 009774 who's charged with the offense of burglary of the vehicle? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this case is a Class A misdemeanor. It is possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you've signed and that your attorney signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking now at a document that is entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it and your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain agreement for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do
Yes,
you
sir.
understand that, sir? Did I
Yes,
hear
sir.
yes on that? Okay. So then, to the offense of burglary of the vehicle, how do you plead?
No
Guilty,
contest.
not guilty, no contest. Okay. Hold on 1 minute. And do you understand that on a plea of no contest, do you understand that the court can still find you guilty anyway? Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement, that's your lawyer got for you. Besides that, has somebody promised you something in order to get you to do this?
No, sir.
Are you doing this of your own free will?
Yes, sir.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it if there is?
Yes, sir. It is for a $0 fine plus court costs. And this is Mr. Hernandez, correct?
Adrian Hernandez, yeah.
Thank you, Your Honor. Continuing with the offer, 221 days Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently. Defendant does have at least that amount of time, and we are taking into consideration and dismissing 2025 CC 009777 if it has not already been dismissed.
It's already been dismissed, Judge. It was dismissed January 28th.
Okay, so it's already been discussed, so we don't have to worry about it. All right, so then you, is that to understand the plea bargain, Mr. Garcia?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you agree with this, Mr. Hernandez?
Yes, sir.
Then, Mr. Hernandez, the court having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, sentence you to 221 days in the Bear County Jail, give you credit for time served, time and money run current, and the judgment is satisfied. Do you know if there are any other cases holding your client, Mr. Garcia?
There are none, Judge. This was the last one.
If this is the only case holding you, sir, then you should be released sometime today, okay?
Okay.
Good luck to you. Tell the deputies that we're finishing the case, and Mr. Garcia, you can be excused.
Thank you. Y'all have a great day.
You too.
Good luck, Adrian.
Yeah, Judge,
Casillas, sit on that green shirt?
next is Casillas, but I believe the paperwork has two case numbers, the same case number on both paperwork.
Okay, that's
Can
Mr.
you share,
Casillas.
can you share your screen so we can see
Hold on one
on
minute.
the paperwork?
Share my screen. I'm looking at Casillas' paperwork. Okay. On my screen, the paperwork shows different cause numbers. I have a 14, a 15, and a 16 on Casillas.
Okay, but when you open up one of the 216, When you
Yeah.
open up 215, it has 216 on it too, if I'm not mistaken.
Well, let me look. I'm opening up 216 right now, and it's showing 216 on it. And let me close this. And then I'm looking now to 215. Two 215 shows 216 on it.
Yeah, that should be 215 on top. And can you check the charge too? I'm sorry. Can we look at the charge in that?
Hold on. Charge is listed as terroristic threats.
Okay, that is correct. Sorry, Jordan. That one is
Okay,
correct,
so
but
Jordan-
the case number should be 215.
Can you fix the case number on that one, Jordan?
Yes. Yes, I can.
Okay, so I'm
Thank
looking at Mr. Garcia's. He has an assault case, and then he has terroristic threats case, and then another terroristic threats. Let me look down. I have a total of 4 cases, and there's only 3 cases of 3 sets of paperwork. Is one being TIC?
Not to
I
my
think-
knowledge.
I think 730668 has been dismissed.
I'm sorry, which one?
730668.
What about that one?
I think it's been dismissed.
Okay, I've
It
got-
has not, in Odyssey, it has not been dismissed.
I've got 7-0 being dismissed. I have 9-2 being dismissed. I don't have 6-8 being dismissed. And let me make sure. On my screen, I've got paperwork. I don't have paperwork for 6-8. If he's pleading to 4 cases, I've only got 3 cases. Mr. Wood?
Judge, I signed paperwork yesterday on 3 separate cases. The 730668. No, I signed paperwork on 214, 215, and 216.
Yes, and I have that. I have those paperwork. I have that paperwork signed. What I have on my docket still though is 6-8. That is not going to be taken care of unless you know for a fact that it's been dismissed. It's still
What's
going
that
to
to
be.
say?
Jordan, do you have anything on 6-8 on your computer screen?
No, sir. And I checked in Odyssey and that case has not been dismissed.
So that case is still hanging out there, Mr. Wood. Do I need to put you back in a breakout room? Do we need to send you paperwork on the Wood case? I mean, what would you like us to do?
Judge, if you want to reset all this till tomorrow, we can do that so that the 6-8 case can be disposed of properly. I serve at the court's pleasure, so whatever you want to do is what we'll do.
Well, I mean, can we just put you in a breakout room with the DA right now and see if you can work a plea out on the other case, or do you
I
just
think
want
we
to?
could do that. Yes, sir. I think we could do that
Is
just
that
fine.
possible, Ms. Trish?
You can.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but can we make it quick because we got other attorneys waiting? All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna start the share right now.
Judge, am I putting Attorney Wood in a breakout room
Yes, please.
with the ADA or?
Yes.
Okay,
Breakout
thank
room
you.
6.
Which is the one that was in question that he wasn't getting dismissed yet? You've already signed these, so just wait and see what he says on this one and then sign this one if needed. You can take a seat. He's talking-
Judge, I believe we're ready on Vasquez.
Okay, but can't do anything right now because the DA is confirmed.
Oh, that's right. Sorry.
That's okay. We have attorney Mario Moreno
Yes, Your Honor.
and do you have an offer in your case, sir?
I don't have an offer yet. However, we at this time aren't seeking a resolution for the case. I'm here for Sergio Chapa, under Mr. Gary Barton's office. There's still some issues with the case, that we're exploring prior to reaching a resolution. And it's discovery issues, that I've been in discussion with the state and county court for.
So are you telling me that you want to reset this case?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and your client's name again is
Sergio Chapa.
Sergio Chapa. Hold on, let me find it on my mind.
Attorney Moreno,
He
do you want
has-
me to,
I'm
do you
sorry.
want me to reset this case or send it back to the court?
If you can send it back to county court 4, that would be appreciated.
Okay, thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
I'm gonna put it
And
in.
he has 3 cases.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Mr. Chapa's case is no agreement, set back.
Jordan,
Yes, ma'am.
could you send Attorney Wood paperwork to plea on 730-668?
Debbie's the one that sends the paperwork. I only
I'm
receive
sorry.
it after. That's okay.
Yes, I will send him a reminder.
Thank you, ladies.
Oh, we have
Yes,
it up. Does he needs to go in breakout room 1. Let me see.
It was six
Hey,
sixteen.
Mr. Wood, can you go back and break out room 1 with your client? Go over the paper.
I
Yeah,
can, sir.
the paperwork is up.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so then what else do we have on our docket now then? It's ready. And Mr. Moreno's case, has been reset, right? Or is it sent back? I'm sorry.
He requests we send it back.
Okay, it was sent back, so you can be excused, Mr. Moreno.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, so then who do we have left? Mr. Tejerina, is that right?
Yes,
Your
Judge.
And Mr. Tejerina is representing, Vincent Vasquez, correct?
Yes, sir.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Vasquez has got 2 cases. I'm assuming he's pleading on one and the
Yes,
other
it
one
is.
is 74
It's
case. Is that gonna be TIC?
We're pleading on 73, Your Honor, and 74 will be TIC. It's my understanding.
Okay. We go over here and find him on my screen now. Okay, so then, do we have Vincent Vasquez? Oh, there he is. Mr. Vasquez?
I'm here. Yes, sir. Yes,
Could you
sir.
raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down, sir. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay, do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Vincent Vasquez?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Vincent Vasquez who in this cause 2026 BC 001073, who's charged with the offense of criminal trespass? Is that you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This case is a class B misdemeanor, and it's possible in your case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $2,000. Do you understand what you are charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
Yes, sir.
I'm looking at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you signed and that your lawyer signed. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do this by video. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
I'm now looking at a document on my screen entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed it, your attorney has signed it. Did you go over this document with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
Did your attorney explain this document to you?
Yes.
And do you understand it?
Yes.
Hold on, let me sign this document. Are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes.
I'm now looking at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You've signed it, your attorney signed it. When you signed this document, What you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes a plea bargain for me with the prosecutor, if you follow that plea bargain, Judge, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So then, to the offense of criminal trespass, how do you plead? Guilty,
Yep.
guilty, or no contest?
Guilty, sir.
Okay, let's look at your paperwork one more time, because your paperwork is showing no contest.
Yes.
So let me ask you one more time. In this offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
Mr. Tejerina is
We discussed the judge. I mean, if he chooses to go that way at this point, that's up to him.
okay, then I'm going to accept the guilty plea. Can you change that on the paperwork, Jordan?
Yes, sir, I can.
Thank you. All right, hold on 1 minute. Has anybody forced you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Besides the plea bargain agreement that your lawyer got for you, besides that, has someone promised you something in order to get you to enter this plea?
No, no, sir.
Are you doing this plea of your own free will?
Yes.
Is there a plea bargain? Can I ask the state to please recite it? There is.
Yes, Your Honor. It is for a $0 fine plus court costs, 20 days Bear County Jail, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrently, and state has agreed to TIC to 2026 CC 001074.
And is that your understanding of the plea bargain in this case, Mr. Tejerina?
It is, Your Honor.
You agree to this, Mr. Vasquez?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Vasquez, the court haven't heard you plead guilty. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 20 days in the Bear County Jail. I give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. Looks to me like you have more than half the time in, so I'm going to judgment satisfied. Just taking into consideration that will be clause number 2026 CC 001074. That means that case will be dismissed and returned to the first case. Are these the only cases holding your client, Mr. Tejerina?
They are, Your Honor.
If these are the only cases holding you, and you should
They are,
be
Your Honor.
time today. All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
Your Honor, just one thing. I do need the discovery acknowledgement from the state on this one.
Okay. Can someone send that to me later? I'll be one to sign it later. Or someone send that to him. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Excuse me.
Bye-bye. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Judge, this is Casillas again.
Okay, 1 minute.
And Judge, I'm glad I was here to listen in on the last attorney. I don't think I got any of the discovery acknowledgments. Somebody can send them to me later today and I'll be happy to sign them.
Okay, can I do that as well? All right, so
think
let
that
me
was
see.
it.
I've got Casillas in front of me. I've got 3 cases
That
of
was it, sir.
Casillas.
Stick
And
with fully off.
I'm going to take the plea on the assault since it's the A, which is the 68 case. All right, I'm doing
And
the
Judge, just
paperwork.
for the court's edification, Judge, that case was also disposed of in the felony agreement to run concurrently with the felony charge.
Okay. But we have a plea bargain on this case, correct?
No, I understand.
Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So then, Mr. Casillas.
Yes, sir.
raise your hand for me.
Yes, sir.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Joel Casillas?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you the same Joel Cassius on this cause number CC 7306668, who is charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
For a class A, this case is a class A misdemeanor. It's possible in this case that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 1 year in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible anywhere from $0 to $4,000. Do you understand what you're charged with and what the possible punishment could be in your case?
I understand, Your Honor.
Are you also the same Joel Cassius who in cause number CC 715214, who in that cause number is charged with the offense of terroristic threats, of fear causing serious bodily injury? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you also the same Joel Cassius who in cause number CC 715215, who in that case is also charged with the same offense of terroristic threats causing fear of imminent serious bodily injury? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Those two cases, I believe, are class B misdemeanors, and it's possible in those cases that you can be punished anywhere from a minimum of 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, there's a fine possible in each case anywhere from $0 to $2,000. You understand what you're charged with in those two cases and what the possible punishment could be in those two cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
So that we're clear, you understand you have 3 cases in front of you right now. 1 class A and 2 class Bs. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm looking now at a document entitled Defendant's Consent to Plea by Video that you filed in all 3 cases. You signed in all 3 cases, and so is your attorney. When you signed this document, you told me it was okay to do these cases by video. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm now looking at a document. Again, you have filed this case in all this document in all 3 of your cases, and it's entitled Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights. And you have signed in all 3 cases, and so is your attorney. Did you go over all these documents with your attorney?
Yes, we did, Your Honor.
Did he explain them to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you understand them?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hold on, let me sign this document.
Your Honor, if this is defendant Casillas, there should be 4 cases.
Criminal trespass is the other one, Judge.
Oh, okay. Let me back up on that. Thank you for catching that, Mr. President.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Are you also the same Joel Casillas who in cause number 715216, who's charged with criminal trespass in that case?
Yes, Your Honor.
That case is a class B misdemeanor also, and it's possible you can be punished. In that case, is a class B misdemeanor, anywhere from 0 days in jail up to 6 months in jail. In addition, a fine from $0 to $2,000. You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And now, just in all 4 of these cases, you have signed waivers of constitutional rights, and you told me that your lawyer went over with you and he explained them to you. Is that right?
Yes, correct, Your Honor.
I'm now looking on my screen at a document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal that you have filed in all 4 of these cases. You have signed in all 4 of these cases along with your lawyer. When you signed these documents, what you did in effect was you told me, Judge, I understand that if my attorney makes plea bargains for me in these cases, if you follow the plea bargains, I understand I will not have a right to appeal. Do you understand that?
I understand, Your Honor.
So then, in cause number CC 730668, where you charged with the assault case, in that case, how do you plead, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Okay. Then cause number CC 715214, where you charge with terroristic threats, how do you plead in that case, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
And then cause number CC 715215, where you charge with terroristic threats, how do you plead in that case, sir? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
And finally, in cause number CC 715216, where you charge with criminal trespass, how do you plead in that case? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Okay. You understand that on pleas of no contest, that the court can still find you guilty anyway.
Yes, Your Honor.
Has anybody forced you to enter these pleas?
No, Your Honor.
Besides the plea bargains that your lawyer got for you, besides those, has anyone promised you something in order to get you to do that?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor.
Are you doing these pleas of your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there a plea bargain in these cases? Can I ask the state, the police beside it? It's the same. We can just do it once.
Yes, Your Honor, it is the same. $0 fine, court costs, 30 days at Bear County Jail, credit for time served to run concurrently, all cases running concurrently with one another, and all cases running concurrently with 2024 CR 6339.
Okay. According to my docket sheet, he has 29 days in at least. Is that correct, Jordan?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so I'm going to judgment satisfy him in these cases. Do you agree to this, Mr. Wood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I judgment sat him, I don't think I need to run them concurrent with the other cases because that just takes care of it on the judgment sat. All right. So then, Mr. Garcias.
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
And cause number, and this is going to take a little bit of time because you got 4 cases. Okay, be patient with me. And cause number CC 730668, where you're charged with the assault case. In that case, the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. I sentence you to 30 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run concurrent. The judgment is satisfied. Okay, that takes care of one of the cases. I still have to do the others, so hold on while I try and take care of those. All right. There we go. Okay, I've got the 214 case on my screen right now, so let me okay, cause number CC 715214, where you're charged with terroristic threats. In that case, the court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs. 30 days in Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied in that case. Okay. Going to the 1-5 case now. Okay. Cause number CC 715215, we're also charged with, I believe, terroristic threats in that case as well. The court, having heard you plead no contest, on that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days in the Bear County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current. The judgment is satisfied in this case. Okay, I've got one more case to do, so hold on. Yep. Now, one more to do, so give me a minute. Okay, let's see. Now, in cause number CC 715216, where you charge a criminal trespass, the court having heard you plead no contest. On that plea, the court finds you guilty. I follow the plea bargain. I sentence you to a $0 fine plus court costs, 30 days in the Bexar County Jail. Give you credit for time served, time and money run current, and the judgment satisfied in that case. I think I've done all 4 of his cases now. Are these the only cases holding him now, Mr. Wood?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, so if these are the only cases holding you, you should be released sometime today, sir. Okay?
Judge, he'll be going to Texas Department of Criminal Justice sometime soon.
Okay, so he's going to be transferred then. Okay, good
Yes,
luck
Judge.
to you, sir. Okay, then you can be excused, Mr. Wood and Mr.
Thank you,
Garcia.
Judge. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Okay, so then,
Judge, this is Christopher Connor.
hold on. Okay, I'm looking for Christopher Connor on my paper document.
Attorney Garcia, you have an offer on this case?
We do, Your Honor. We do. We should, yes. Do I need to confer with the district attorney? I thought we had an offer though. Okay.
I'll find it.
Okay, so,
Yeah,
should I
it-
take this plea or let you confer with the defense attorney, Mr. Fish? I'm not exactly sure I know where we are.
He's been in for about 40 days.
That's fine, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, what's fine?
We can proceed.
You can proceed on this next plea that we have up, which is Connor.
Yes, Your Honor.
And he has 2 cases.
What was the second?
Okay, he's got 2 cases. Is he pleading on one and is the other being TIC?
I thought that was the offer, but let me clarify.
Ms. Trish?
He has a criminal trespass and he has an ABI.
Okay,
So we would be pleading on the ABI and TICing the criminal trespass, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, and he would get credit for time served, correct?
okay, and let's see. I've got the correct cause number on my paperwork, but I have the wrong charge on the paperwork.
Okay, just change it to ABI, Your Honor. I think I might have mistakenly put criminal trespass on there.
Okay, it looks like it. Jordan, can you do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you can change that to an assault and then also change the range of punishment then. And then on the criminal trespass, the 92, that's going to be TIC. Okay, let me see now if I can. Right, Mr. Connor.
Yes,
can you
sir.
raise your right hand, please.
Yes, sir.
Do you swear the testimony you're about to give me will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Put your hand down. I'm about to share my screen with you. Okay. Do you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Is your name Christopher Connor?
Yes, sir.
Are you the same Christopher Connor who in this cause number 2026 CC 000673 was
Yes, sir.
charged with the offense of assault causing bodily injury? Is that you?
I wasn't aware of the assault, sir.
Okay. Mr. Garcia, let me put you in a breakout room with your client. Let's make sure you got all your ducks in a row here. Okay, please?
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, before he does that, I think in an abundance of caution, the state is going to withdraw its offer at this time and ask that this case be recalled perhaps for tomorrow.
Okay. Mr. Garcia, can you come back tomorrow?
Yes, sir, can, Your Honor.
Okay. Then and let's in the meantime then clear up the paperwork, get the right cause numbers, the right charges, and to get the ducks in a row. Okay.
I
I'll-
appreciate your patience, sir.
And I'll see you tomorrow morning.
You still want to confer with the client though?
I sure do. And
Oh, okay, he does.
Okay. Can you put him in a breakout room with his client? In the meantime, I'm going to put here Connor reset.
Yeah, AJ,
Right here.
email me the offer as well. Thank you.
Attorney Garcia, can you move back to 3, please?
I sure can. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I'm going to trash Mr. Can I trash Mr. Connor's paperwork? I'm going to trash Mr. Connor's paperwork. I've already done it. Too bad. Okay. So then, what do we got left? What are we waiting on? We're waiting on Mr. Arvis Mendez. That's Michael Collins.
And Haley Martinez.
And Haley Martinez, which is Mr. Collins as well.
Pre-trial is here, Judge.
Pardon me?
Pre-trial
Pre-trial-
Maria is
pre-trial
here.
Okay. Not like Mr. Collins be late. Can you call him and find out what's going on with him?
Judge, he's in a breakout room. He's speaking to his second client.
Okay. Okay. We're good.
He already spoke with,
So what are we looking at as far as?
Okay.
yeah.
All right. So it's pre-trial here.
Yes, good morning, Judge. It's Maria.
Good morning, Maria. Can I go over the docket, the pre-trial docket with you just briefly?
Yes, sir.
On my paper docket, I have listed as number 1, Jacob Castillo. Is that
Correct.
correct?
Correct,
Okay.
yes.
Is he going to be here?
He is gonna be there.
What about 2
2 should be there,
and 3
3 should be there,
and 4
4 should be there,
and 5?
and 5 should be there.
Okay, good enough. Thank you.
You're welcome.
The attorney today was Teresa Garcia on this. Hopefully, Ms. Garcia will either show up or Mr. Collins will finish with his 2 clients, and we can do those, please. And then Sheena, we'll wait and see. In the meantime, I have some refusals on the pre-trial, so on the on the bond docket, so I'm just going to sign those refusals
Yes, sir.
out of the way. Okay, I've signed the refusal on Sylvia Alina. Signing a refusal on Heidi McCumber. Signing a refusal on Glover.
Deputy McGahee, 6226. Deputy McGahee, 6226.
Signing the dismissal on Vincent Vasquez. Oh. Okay, so we're just waiting on Mr. Collins with his second client. We'll be ready to go.
Deputy D. Hernandez, 6226. Deputy D. Hernandez, 6226. Lieutenant Calvillo, 5554. Lieutenant Calvillo, 5554.
He was seen, but I don't know who he was, what he looked like.
Judge, Attorney Collins, I went in there to check on him, and he said on both Martinez, Haley, they're two deferred adjudication.
Okay.
They're both.
Okay. I have paperwork on my screen for his Mendez, but still waiting on the other, the second client.
Okay. And Teresa Garcia is attorney of the day.
Right. Hopefully by the time Collins gets through, he'll sign down, I hope.
Yeah. Maria. Maria? Are you there, Maria?
Pretrial?
Pre-trial?
Yes, I'm sorry. I had
Hello,
lowered it.
I just noticed Ibarra needs an interpreter on the bond docket.
Okay.
Is that true? I'm asking, I'm sorry.
I'm not, let me see.
Okay, but you can.
I didn't
Okay,
have
he-
anything marked. I didn't have anything marked down.
Okay, no,
Did I?
he's good. He speaks English.
Oh, okay, because usually they put it on the side so that way I know to let you know. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sorry.
No, no problem.
E. Oh my God.
Yeah, so it's reading this, but let's we can speed it up. She's not wanting to do it. I think she did it first. I'll start also.
Oh, the judge logged off.
Hey, Valverde.
Yes, sir.
It said you were host, and I reclaimed being the host. Do I need to make you a host, co-host again?
What happened? You took me off?
I just took you off as host because it said you took me off.
I did? I can't take you off. Can you put me as
Hey.
co-host, Judge?
Which-
Because
I'm
I
just
don't know who
saying,
took
man.
me
I
off.
mean, I go away 2 weeks, and now you're just taking
Hey.
over my spot. Come on.
And it wasn't me.
Valverde,
What?
for some reason, when the judge logged off, it made you host.
Oh.
Someone kicked me
don't
off.
know.
I thought it was you because you wanted to be the
So
host
we
so
thought
bad.
you kicked him off.
No, I'm busy trying to do 2 sets of conditions.
Yeah. I
Okay.
Yeah, you have a deferred offer coming up.
Okay. I just thought, you just leave for a week or two and everybody wants to just take over your spot. Golly. Okay.
Everybody's ready for the bond.
Judge, do you want to wait to do the plea? Everybody's on for the bond.
Oh, do we have Teresa here?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. Let me, can you stick your head?
Judge, I think you're going off again. You're being disconnected.
Yeah. He's a mix up. Well, mix up. I'm not saying he wouldn't jail. It's like the son. It's we're gonna get an attorney. After.
I think you're losing connection again.
You get in touch with John Garcia and tell him to come back. His client's here.
Got it. I'll text him.
Morning.
Morning. I am. Can you move?
Yes.
Okay, Judge, I have the first one on the bond docket for Jacob Castillo.
Okay. I'm assuming let me take us off YouTube 1 minute.
Okay.